Hey guys, this is how I install a wireless Android Auto on my Dacia Spring. This is the device I'm using. I'm using a CarPlay kit CPC200-CP2A. I'm also using this USB adapter, also one of these adapters. In the car, just grab pull it away. Take your cable and you heat it up and you make a bend like this. You can also shave a little bit of the plastic here. Take your USB-A to USB-C adapter, plug it in, route the wire wherever you think you will want it. I just routed it through there, and then I opened the glove box and I just made a hole through here, and I got my wire here, and this is where I connected the CarPlay kit. So it comes through this hole here in the glove box. This is the device, the CarPlay kit. I just 3D printed the holder. This fits right in there. And now you just take your trim and put it back in. You can force it up a little bit here. It is a little bit forced here, but unless you want to cut a notch in the plastic, you can just leave it like that. It's not very noticeable. And it works great. Okay, well, hope this helped. Bye.